In this video, I want to start with a new subtopic from isomerism known as optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. Optical comes from the word optics, which means light. Okay, and you know what isomerism is. Okay, and not only that, and then this optical isomerism is a what? Stereo isomerism, that you know. Okay, then another definition is optical isomers. What are optical isomers? They are those compounds which have the ability to rotate the plane of polarized light. And this property of such compounds is known as what? Optical activity. Okay, and to measure optical activity we need polarimeter. So these are some of the concepts to be kept in mind. Now, to understand more about this optical activity of optical isomers, I'm going to explain through this diagram. Okay, have a look here. This is your light source. Okay, from this light source you have an ordinary light. In ordinary light, the waves vibrate in different planes. See, in different planes. Okay, this is your nickel prism. It is made up of calcite, that is calcium carbonate. This is calcite. What you do, you allow the ordinary light to pass through a nickel prism. Once it is passed through a nickel prism, you will find that the light vibrates in only one plane. So that light is known as polarized light, or simply polarized. Okay, and here you have a sample solution of optically active compound. Those compounds which have the ability to rotate the plane of polarized light, they are known as optically active compounds. And here we have sample solution of optically active compounds. Okay, now what happened? Through a polarimeter, you will see that the arrow either moves in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. If you see that the arrow rotates in the clockwise direction, then that optically active compound is known as what? Dextrorotatory, and we indicate that by this plus sign. And if you see that the arrow rotates in the anti-clockwise direction in this way, okay, then we called it a levorotatory, and we indicate this one by a minus sign with a bracket here. Okay, so those compounds, okay, optically active compounds which rotate the plane of polarized light to the right, that is clockwise, they are said to be dextrorotatory. Whereas those which rotates the plane of polarized light to the left, that is anti-clockwise, then we call it levorotatory. So this is all about optical isomerism.